So, you thought you could finally relax while your Roidmi EVA does the cleaning? But then, bam, it just gives up halfway through a run? Don't worry, you are not alone. It's a very frustrating issue. Yes, the stops mid-cleaning is a common tale for many Roidmi EVA owners. The robot starts off strong, and then it just quits. Your home will be half cleaned, and you'll have to finish the job manually. The main culprit here is usually a faulty battery. It can happen over time or even unexpectedly. Basically, the battery is not holding its charge like it should, and your vacuum is running out of juice way too soon. Ignoring this problem isn't going to make your floors magically clean themselves. In fact, you are putting more stress on the battery, and the cleaning will continue to be interrupted. Plus, you might just get fed up, which is entirely understandable. But don't worry, RoboCare has the expertise to get your Roidmi EVA back to full cleaning power. Here at RoboCare, we have a clear and meticulous process to get your robot back to its peak performance. We're not just guessing, we're experts, and we're here to show you what we do. First, the intake and diagnosis. Whether you choose to visit our service center in Kota Damansara or utilize our convenient courier service, we perform a thorough diagnosis of your robot, pinpointing the exact cause of that mid-run shutdown with our specialized equipment. We don't just assume it's the battery, we test it. Next, the repair stage. This is where our expert technicians shine. We only use genuine Roidmi parts to ensure optimal performance and longevity for your robot vacuum. After the repair, we rigorously test your Roidmi EVA to make sure the battery is working perfectly. Throughout the repair process, we keep you informed every step of the way. But don't just take our word for it. Now let's see the results RoboCare achieves. Ta-da! After expert care from RoboCare, this Roidmi EVA is back in action. It's now cleaning for a full cycle, with a battery that can keep up. No more mid-run stops. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm incredibly impressed with RoboCare. The robot vacuum is actually working properly now. It cleans the entire house without stopping. Their service was excellent from start to finish. They kept me informed the whole time, was super efficient. And the fact they had a courier service made it incredibly easy.
Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We're here to make your robot vacuum repair as simple and convenient as possible.